The intermediate value theorem. The intermediate value theorem is the first theorem that we're going to be using in calculus. And the theorem states, if a function is continuous on the interval from a to b, and k is the value between f of a and f of b, then there must exist some c on the interval a to b for which f of c equals k. When we first read this, we say, what is that even talking about? Well, let's look at it on a graph. This is a very simple, straightforward theorem that makes a lot of sense. It's something that you've known for years and years. And it's given 2 points. We'll take some point down there. We'll call that one A. The y value then is f of a. And we'll put the other point up here, B, f of b. All this theorem says is that for any value you want, k, which is some y value between f of a and f of b, I'm just going to put it right there. Somewhere between a and b, the value of our function has to be k. Well, that seems pretty clear because there is no way that I can draw a continuous line from a to b without, in some way, somewhere, passing k. All this theorem says is that somewhere between the two y values, I'm going to hit every other y value on the graph. I'll hit every single y value. It's by this theorem that I know everyone who's understood these videos so far has at one point in their life been at least pi years, or been exactly pi years old. That's right. You were once pi years old. I don't even know you. And I know there was a day that you were exactly 3.14159, etc., years old. How cool is that? Well, how do I know that? Because, well, I know at one point you were born. So we'll say you were 0. And now you're at least 12. And pi is some number between 0 and 12. And I know your age is a continuous function. There's no way that you could get from 0 to 12 without touching pi. It had to happen. That's all the intermediate value theorem says. We're going to see some incredible things in class using the intermediate value theorem. So stay tuned for those.